The police have intensified their presence in an area of Gregory Park after the discovery of a headless body. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The headless body of an identified man was found in an area known as Mexico in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday. The deceased is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet 11 inches tall. He was clad in a pair of jeans at the time of his death. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that the police were summoned to the area about 10 a.m. on Saturday after a resident heard someone screaming for help. The headless body of the man was later found on the arrival of officers. The Portmore police are carrying out an investigation into the beheading. A 48-hour curfew has since been imposed in section of the volatile plunge community. The specific flare-up of violence has claimed a number of lives over the past several weeks and months. The curfew will begin at 6 p.m. on Saturday, December the 18th and will remain in effect until 6 p.m. on Monday, December the 20th. This has been Link's 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.